Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
A viral cough happens when a virus infects your respiratory tract, making your body try to clear out irritants. If the infection spreads deeper or your immune system weakens, it can cause inflammation and lead to bronchitis or pneumonia. That's why a simple viral cough can become serious. Always watch your symptoms and get medical help if they worsen.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.